What's going on, guys? So I actually received another package in the mail just now from Amazon. This is another part. I told you guys I've been waiting for all the parts for my car, and I just received another one. We're gonna open it together. If you guys are new, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to comment, all that fun stuff. But I'm gonna set you guys down right here so you guys can see me unbox this box, so you guys can see what I got. If you guys didn't check out my other videos where I broke my mirror, make sure you go do that. And what else did I do that video? Oh, I installed the side mirror cap, so make sure you go watch all those videos, because I'm telling you, my car is gonna be transformed completely. And yeah, make sure you guys are here for the ride, and let's just go ahead and open this Amazon package. Yo, shout out to Amazon. Amazon be moving quick, bro, on God. Let's see, bro. I feel like a kid on Christmas. Even though I bought the shit, nobody bought it for me. A box inside of a box. Nice. This one doesn't matter. This one's an important one. Alright, so what do we got here, guys? Hold on. Wait, why is there two?
It's one for each side, dummy. It's not one long one. Are you stupid?
Oh, guys, so look.
Yeah.
This is what it looks like. All black.
Yours right now is chrome, right?
White. Wait, nah, like silver. Shit.
It's chrome.
Oh, whatever. Yeah, I guess. But yeah, see Danny, it just clips, nigga. You just unclip it and you just clip it in. So it just clips. Okay, so that's one of them. And then this is the other one. Bam. Hold on, let me put him. Oh, so Danny over here. Oh, Danny, so my dick, you here? But okay, so this is what they look like, guys. Now, honestly, I don't even know how to take them off. I don't know how to take off my old ones. So what I'm about to do right now is I'm about to hop on YouTube again, figure this shit out, and hopefully it's not as difficult as taking off my mirrors, because let me tell you something, that took forever and I still broke one. But hopefully this is not the same. This is plastic, so it should be fine. But yeah, let's go ahead. I'm gonna take you guys downstairs. As you guys can see, it's like a chrome color. Oh, it's gonna look so nice with the all black. So yeah, it's chrome, and then the ones that I got were all black. We're gonna go ahead, let me put you guys down so you guys can see what the hell I'm doing. Bam, pop. So you guys should be able to see now. Let me go ahead and open the trunk. Or not the trunk, the hood. So first thing he said was I gotta remove this little black thing, right? Bam, pop. And now it has like some bolts here. Let me show you guys. So it has some. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 little bolts thingy that we gotta remove. Thank God I got tools now because of my job, of course. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove those. But I do need to get my tools first. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, that's all of the clips. So guys, look. So you got these clips right here. So you have this clip here, you have another one here, you have this one here, and you have this one here. So basically what you gotta do is you gotta slide it out like so. Boom. 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 So you can really get behind it. Yeah, so now you see how it's like that. Now I can kind of get behind it. I can't even get behind it, really. Damn, how am I supposed to get behind it? I don't know. We'll figure it out, but I'm gonna place you guys down. And yeah. So for me to do this, I think I'm actually gonna have to remove the whole front bumper on this car, because I don't think you can do it. Maybe you could without having to. Bro, sometimes you really just leave shit to professionals, because this shit, I rather, oh my God. I'm so close to just going somewhere and paying somebody to put this shit on, because fuck. Okay guys, so my what's it called? My camera died, so I'm using my phone now. I don't know how much, better it is or worse. But yo, this thing right here took me for absolute ever to take off. But I was finally able to do it. I was actually thinking of taking off the whole the whole front bumper, but I think I wouldn't have to do that because I just gave up on that. I was like, yeah, fuck this. If I can't get it this way, I'm gonna just take it somewhere and get it done. But we were able to do that. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off now, and then after that I'm gonna go ahead and install it and show you guys what's up. So yeah. Okay guys, so one thing I noticed that once you do one side, the other side is super fucking easy because you can just put your hand through here and you'll be able to do that way. I did this one in like, I'm not even like 30 seconds. Like this one took like no effort, nothing. This one on the other hand took me like a whole half an hour to take out. I don't know why, but I'm out of breath, yo. You gotta really put pressure into this. If you don't take off the front bumper, doing this is super hard. But yeah, I think I cut myself. I did everything to myself. But so out with the old, in with the new. I'm gonna show you guys a comparison of both right next to each other so you guys can see it. But I don't know how close. I can't see myself, so I don't know how close I am to the camera. So this is what it basically looks like. This is the old one that I had on that I just took off. And then this is the new one that I just bought. So this is the M Sport package, or something like that. This is just the regular, you know, carbon color, whatever. I was thinking of getting carbon fiber instead, but my friend told me you're gonna have so much carbon fiber, so I just got that in black instead. So yeah. So yeah, look, this is the before, guys. This is what it looks like before. I might clean that up a little bit, and I'll show you guys the after. So okay guys, so I just finished installing it. This is what it looks like. Like I said, this is the old one right here. Honestly, if you're lazy and you don't want to do all that stuff that I just did, honestly, I would also pay, but I'm just trying to, you know, for content for you guys. I've been trying to do stuff by myself with YouTube and just trying to figure out as I go. So yeah guys, that is it for this part. I might make another video because I'm gonna be wrapping. Let me show you guys. So I'm gonna be wrapping this part right here, carbon fiber as well, and maybe I'll make that into a video. I don't know, you guys let me know. And yeah, so this is what it looks like now, guys. The Mechanic Max, you heard me. With that being said, guys, I thank you so much for watching the video. If you guys are new, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to smash that like button. Yeah, if you guys want to see more car stuff, let me know, and I will be posting that up for you guys. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.